In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix can't import this element in CapCut. This is one of those issues that can show up without warning. Your clips might import perfectly one day and then refuse the next. The good news is the solution is simple, reliable, and only takes a few minutes. We're going to start outside of CapCut in your web browser. You can use Chrome, Safari, or whatever you prefer. In the search bar, look for an online video converter. These tools are fast, easy to use, and typically free, which makes them perfect for this fix. Pick a converter that looks reputable. As a quick tip, avoid sites that force you to install extra software and be mindful of privacy. Don't upload sensitive footage to services you don't trust. Also, check that the site doesn't add watermarks and supports larger files if your video is long. Next, upload the exact video that's giving you trouble in CapCut. The reason this works is that import errors are often caused by incompatible formats or codecs. Even if the file plays fine on your computer, CapCut may not like the way it's packaged. CapCut works best with MP4 files, ideally using H.264 for video and AAC for audio, so converting your clip to MP4 usually clears the problem. In the converter, choose MP4 as the output format. If you can adjust settings, keep the resolution and frame rate the same as the original to preserve quality. If there's a codec option, H.264 or AVC is a safe choice. For audio, stick with AAC, then click Convert and let the process finish. Don't close the tab while it's working and give it a moment if your internet is slow or the file is large. When the conversion completes, download the new file and note where it saves on your device. Consider renaming it clearly so you can find it quickly. Keeping the original file is a good idea in case you need it later. Now, open CapCut, create a new project, and add the converted clip. You should see it import smoothly without errors or glitches. From here, you can edit as usual. Converting effectively repackages the video into a fully compatible format and refreshes the metadata, which prevents those import hiccups. If the error persists, try converting the file again or use a different converter. Occasionally, a corrupted source file can cause issues, and a fresh conversion often fixes that too. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.